Hello, good morning. So let me give you some amazing AI tricks that you can use it in under Gemini, and how to build a one single page invitation card or wedding card or anything that you want to develop. Here is I have created one prompt. Let me just copy into it over here, and it will create a one Indian wedding invitation card with a numerously amazing design, right? Just have a look at, and how we use it from the use it to the sending to our guest and all the functions. Let's see that how AI can easily generate all these codes, and how we can use it to our daily life as well. Let's see. If you want this prompt code, just DM me wedding invitation card. I will send you it on your inbox. Okay, so it is taking some time. I am using Gemini Place extended version. It's a latest Gemini release, right? So it is creating right now some HTML and CSS. Like, if you don't know anything about the coding, if you don't know anything about the how it works, and it is completely ready to use code, right? So now you can see here it is complete ready to use code, that how we can just we have to copy paste into our hosting server panel. Or if you don't have any hosting server panel, you can use it our internal links. I will share it below in the comments as well, that how you can purchase the hosting server panel and all that things, how to configure it. Okay, so here it is, we have some ready to made code. Okay, there is some mistake. Let me give them a instruction about make it again. I think there is some internal connection issues. Okay, so now Gemini is making it again from the scratch. Let's see. How it is working. It is taking some time based on the internet connections and how the server responds. Hmm. I think the Gemini has created one new Flash extended version, but it is taking some little more time as per another version. It's a 3.1 Pro is little faster, right? No worries. Let's take it. I think the code is completed right now. Great. So the code is ready. Let me just copy paste this code into our hosting server panel, and let's see that what Gemini has described. Okay, so here I have one hosting server panel, and I am creating a one file index.html. Okay, this just copied it and over here. Okay, so now I have created one folder over here, wedding card. Okay, and under it it's under my, oh, that's it. Oh, there's the person name. Okay, and the person photos is over here, the date and invitation you can manage it over here, the functions and all the invitations, the location even you can manage it over here. Okay, so family information is also going here, digital reservation, like if you want how many person you are inviting, and you have to confirm your attendance as well, that the main bride or groom side they can know about how it works. Even you can get the music, play the music over here. Okay, great. So you can manage the background music as well, right? And now if you want to edit something, look, I have to change it the name with the name is Okay, that's it. Let's change the name. It will change the name. Okay, it's over here only from the header Ananya Energy, and we can change the name. Oh, here it is, Ajay. Okay, that's it. Great. Here it is how it look into the mobile as well. The same version it look into the mobile. Now we can give the Gemini to redesign it. Instruction. Okay. Now I want you to redesign it as per minimal color and font adjustment as per mobile version. Create CSS only. Okay, let's see. Now Gemini is introducing our command and using it. Okay, so here it is our new CSS file. It is generating. We just have to copy paste this into our existing file only. This is how it works. So this kind of way the AI has made the life of developer, and it's very easy right now. Okay, so let's copy it here. Copy. Done. Save it. Now just refresh it. Oh, there is some changes. So the Flash version has there is some now we can use a pro version. Let's see, because the Flash version has very different look and feel. Now it is look, this is not even not working well. The pro version has very bad. Let's see how the pro version works. You can see the speed, that how it's generating the code. The code is ready. From here, let's just copy. Let's just change the name. Okay, so that you can get an idea. Oh, here it is. So now you can see the pro version has very good results, right? It's so very great. And how it is look in the web version, that's very good, bro. Okay, so this is how you can use AI to generate your wedding album, your wedding invitation card, your birthday card, your etc, anything about it. Okay, if you want this code or this prompt, just comment me the wedding invitation card or just an invitation card. I will send you the complete documentation. And also we are doing this kind of services for the website design and development. If you want to design your website, in the e-commerce platform or anything, that just DM us or contact us on this given number. Thank you.